shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Well, good morning. Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for November 9th, 2020. Well, if you woke up early and you are a pre-market bandit, you could take the rest of the week off. Yes. Doing the whispers this morning, I was definitely hitting moving targets, trying to get them out as fast as possible. When I did map out the SPY early in the morning for you, we were not above 356, but obviously you can see we hit all the targets. So what do? Well, you learn how to do this yourself so you can map out the next trade. There's lots of trades we can take. We are coming up to some high-end resistance right here on the SPY. So I would watch that 367. Yeah, hold on a minute. Let me just zone in a little bit. Yep, 367. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if we go above this upper trend line, yep. If not, we could do a little bit of retracement. Now, the retracement trade was all the way down here. So I would look up 362.50. Write that down. If you trade the SPY for a possible, retracement down to this. This would be our trade, right? Going down to here and then below 360. All right, if we do retrace, or we could just keep going up higher. All right, let's go to the Russell. All right, the Russell hit, let's see, yep, all of our targets. So what's the next major level up? Well, 176. So watch that for the Russell. All right, bear below, I would look at the 172.50 for a retracement trade down. And again, you could write these down. But if you're in the upcoming boot camp class, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do this on the fly, which is amazing. Best gift I can give you. The QQQs, these are definitely not as strong. Yeah, this didn't run away. It was not the runaway trade. So still bullish above 350, bear below 297.50. In fact, it did go below. Yeah, the NASDAQ is definitely the weakest. Financials are booming. I'll get to that in a bit. As we saw with those massive prints last week, somebody obviously knew something. Those are the biggest prints we've had in years, and somebody always knows something. So kudos to you guys that put on financial trades last week. They're going to do really well. But if not, we're going to trade them from where they are. I'll give you a couple of setups in a moment. But the E-minis, bullish above 36.50. Yep, watch that level. I mapped these out after the initial run. Yeah, I kind of waited a little bit to map out trades after they ran. So watch the futures here. Bear below 3,600 for a retrace. We have the NASDAQ futures bullish above 12,400, bear below 12,225, and we've gone below that. The oil futures, holy cow, oil is ripping because we have a possible vaccine in place, which means airlines are going to be cruising again, and I'll get to those stocks in a minute. But bull above 40, we've gone up and hit R3, pull back, and now we're above R3. Yeah, if we stay above R3, that is very bullish. Yep. So I would watch 41.25 going up again. All right, let's head on over to gold. So gold having a big pullback. The risk on trade is off right now. Let's see, we've already gone down and hit, I think, all of our targets on the downside. Yep, we did. Yeah, see if it can pull up above S3 here. Yeah, if it's going to hammer that or not. Yep, for a retracement trade back up on the gold futures. Let me just put up the daily chart for a moment. All right, yep. Yeah, so we broke out of this trend line and we did the retracement back to it. So this is really key for gold to see if we hold this level today on the daily chart. It's a very common pattern to retrace at the point of a breakout, right? We broke out right here. We went up and we retraced. The the question is, are we going to hold it? So that's really what I'm watching for the gold futures. All right, today. Bitcoin. Yeah, let's go to, hold on a minute. Let me just get my Bitcoin futures. All right, hold on a second. BTC. All right, Bitcoin futures. Yep, I've added this to the lineup. I know a lot of you are trading Bitcoin. I got a great surprise for you guys. We are starting a crypto corner, by the way, every Monday. Taz, one of our traders, is going to be running us through, crypto. Going through all the different altcoins, really just sharing his knowledge with us every single Monday. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, we're going to be bullish above 15,800 and bear below 15,450. All right, for Bitcoin futures. All right, we did go down and hit this S1. See that? We did. Trades perfectly. Now, if you're trading Bitcoin, you definitely want to watch these futures and trade along with them. Yep, because they trade pretty much tandemly with Bitcoin. The same way the E-minis trade with the SPY and the NASDAQ futures trade with the Qs. So this is huge. Yeah, awesome to watch. All right, let's go to the individual stocks because we've got lots of them. All right, so I know American Airlines hit quite a few targets. Bullish above 1350. Yep, we've gone all the way up. So what is next? Well, we're going to watch that 1450 level for another entry. Yep. To the upside, bear below 1250 to the downside. Again, you know, if we see prints, if we see refreshing or selling, there's always downside trades to be taken. That's where our tape reading skills come in handy. But right now, Uber, very strong. Very, very strong. Let's go look to Tilray. Bullish above 1250 and bear below 1150 for Tilray. All right, Apple. Bull above 121.25 and bear below 117.50. We had those massive prints last week, 117.62 and 85. So watching to see if we stay above that. All right, Plug, bullish above 20. We're coming back up there again and bear below 17.75. UAL, bullish above 42 and bear below 40 for a retracement trade. Kronos, bullish above 9 today and bear below 7.99 for a retracement. Tesla, bullish above 4.45 for the day trade and bear below 4.30. Bank of America, bullish above that 26.50 where they are right now and bear below 25.20 for a retracement trade. All right, NEO, all over the place today. Bullish above 42 and bear below 39.25 for NEO. Let's go to Boeing. Bullish above 182.50 and bear below 175. And NCLH, bull above 22. Bear below 1950 and one more Delta. Yeah, these guys I was able to map out after the initial move, so those trades are still good. Delta, bullish above 37.50 and bear below 36. I know it's a lot of stocks. Don't be overwhelmed. Pick the ones that you love. Pick the best setups that you love. Don't worry if you miss 5 great trades today. As long as you catch 3 to 5, that's all we need. All right, until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.